All right, we're at La Quinta Country Club to analyze the efficiency of the electrical system and make recommendations. This is John Acosta, our KVAR technician. John has installed over 200 KVAR commercial, industrial, and residential units. We're up in panel 2LC, the north end of the pavilion. We have 18 motors on this panel. This is the game changer in the industry that none of the competition has. This is the patented KVAR power factor technology sizing equipment that allows matching the problem or the low power factor issues with the correct solution and the correct size of the KVAR equipment. We use very sophisticated electronic equipment to analyze the electrical system both before and after, which helps with balancing the corrected solution. Electrical systems have power losses. This power loss is expressed as power factor, or PF. Capacitors correct power factor and improve energy efficiency. The result is a lower electric bill. Your electric bill is a function of the kilowatts times the rate per kilowatt. Kilowatts are basically volts times amps in a single-phase system. KVAR increases electrical efficiency by reducing the amps. Lower amps means lower kilowatt hours and a lower electric bill. On our test, we find that the amps before total 35.4 on all three lines, the kilowatts before are 2.87, and the power factor is 0.71.
Ready, Barry?
All right, now we show a power factor of 71.71. Now we're switching first station of KVAR on, 70, 83, 80, 1.00. Our after measurements showed that amps have been reduced to 18.08 and the kilowatts to 1.75. And our power factor has been increased to 1.0, or 100%. The results of this test are dramatic. We see a difference in amps of 17, or 51%. The power factor went from 0.71 to 1, which is a 29-point increase, and the kilowatts dropped 1.12, or 39%. KVAR capacitor systems save the energy from a power factor correction. The capacitors store and recycle energy from the motors. The amps get recycled through the motors in the system. This reduces amps that are lost, and the heat is the enemy of all motors, and KVAR reduces the heat at the motors. This lowers the amps, and the heat result in less resistance in kilowatt hours at the electric bill. Aging contactors and switches have much greater efficiency. Air in an air conditioning system is cooler and requires less work in the next cycle. Water pumps pump more water. KVAR capacitors are the most economically feasible investment in energy efficiency that you can make. But they must be properly measured, sized, and installed by trained technicians. Returns on investment range from 6%, or about 16 months, to 18%, which shows a payback in 8 to 12 months. The ROIs depend on the temperature, where better savings occur in warm weather, or the distance from the motors and the power source, the percentage of energy used by motors in the system, the age and condition of the motors, and the percentage of motors composing the electrical bill.